How to terminate a staff properly. Terminating a staff member is never easy, but handling the process correctly ensures professionalism and minimal disruption to your business. Employers can terminate staff directly through the dashboard with minimal steps. This allows for an easy and efficient process without additional administrative hurdles. In your dashboard, go to the My Staff section, where you'll find a complete list of your currently hired staff. To remove a staff member, click the Delete Trash icon next to their name. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Simply click Terminate to finalize the process. We recommend informing your staff in advance as a courtesy, though the decision is entirely yours. Additionally, as an extra security precaution, if you have shared login credentials with your staff, we advise revoking their access before processing their final staff payment. Remember, you're always just one virtual staff seat away from reliable, affordable staff.